Okay, welcome to all. Next, I am going to draw a path of this. How to draw? So I am selecting pen tool. I am selecting here. Each anchor point I am selecting correctly. Here I am selecting here, here. I am doing two anchor points here. One here, one here, one here. Okay. Now I placed all the anchor point. Now I am moving the anchor point the correct location with anchor selection tool. Okay. So what I am going to do, I am selecting this tool correctly, moving to the edges. I am using the space bar, moving here. The exact location is here. Again, I am moving here. Exact location is here. Moving here. Exact location is here. Here it is correct almost. I'm moving here. Now all the paths are correctly we placed. Now I am zooming out. Now I am selecting which tool. In the path selection, I am clicking convert anchor point. See, I am clicking here. Both angles should come up. Now I am adjusting this correctly. I am adjusting this one correctly. Now I am coming here. Click and drag. I will get both. I press here. It is here. I want to rotate on the right left side. So press Alt. You can left rotate on the left side. This one I need to correctly. I need to put it edge. Then okay, now this is perfect. Again, I am selecting this anchor point. This is perfect. The professional is working. Here, what I am going to click and drag. So both sides should come. But I don't want this. I am pressing Alt. I am correcting this area. Then I am correcting this. Now I am planning to lit. So if it is click again, it will go. You can control. So what I need to do, I move down. I need to select tool. You need to select. This is perfect. So now that selection is correct. Now I am coming here. Again, I am using clicking and sorry, not this tool. I need to go this converters. Click and drag. Move. I am planning here. Okay. So here one issue is that is not correct. That edge. Again, I am using here. I am correcting it. Now here I am plus Alt. I can. Oh, sorry. Click. Then press Alt. Control Z. I selected a wrong tool. Press Alt. Move here. Now I am clicking here. Now I am click and drag again here. Sorry, this tool I need to select. Mistakenly I select wrong tool, and I want to move little bit this, and again I need to move this rotation little. So again this is correct. Again this tool, click and drag. This I need to drag here. Select this and select this tool. Okay, now I selected here. Here also I need to check. Now selecting this tool, I'm clicking and drag. Okay, this is not perfect. Again, I need to move the anchor point little bit. Again, bring. I'm selecting this. Again, I'm going to add an anchor point because I need one more here. So plus, press here. Move tool, I am moving. Here also I need to see here. Now we need to add anchor point here. Then you need to make it perfect here little bit. Now you see. I'm going to save this path one. See, this is a way perfectly you can select. Then I'm going make selection, feathering. I am do two. I am cutting this. See this area I told you, but selection is not perfect. You can go and check. Not that much bad, but Control X. I am going to paste somewhere here. See perfectly we cut this. So I think you clearly understood. In that I have not explained one tool. This is a tool. Curvature action free transform one tool is there. You can go on free transform. You can do like this one path. Otherwise, perfectly how the professionals are working. Same way I explain each and everything to you. So this is a way professionals who used to work. If I want to avoid the feathering, I can also avoid the feathering. The selection you can again control D. Oh my god. Command control D. Then again click here, make selection. I put it 0, then it minimum will come. Control X. Now you paste it here. See, I perfectly cut this object. This is the way you need to work on paths, and this is the easy and simple. Like how professionals are working, I clearly explained that. See, whenever you understand one thing, see, I'll showcase you. If you click something, you can draw time. Also, you can click and draw. Then this is the tool every time you are going to use it. And if you want to draw one side, click again. It will go. So click and drag. That V type of tool will come. And press Alt. You can do whatever you want. Again, click and drag like this. And if you want to add one side, okay, you can do this. So please understand this is a way you need to work on these parts too. So thank you for watching. Do it. And again, I'll give one more video. I'll add. You can work on that. Okay. So thank you for watching. Please practice it. Especially this. Try to cut this rocket. You will understand how to do that. Okay.